cold out this morning.
You know, it feels colder.
Yeah.
You know, and here in the metro area, it's just a couple of degrees colder. You move off to the east, and you guys are feeling some big changes. Look at this. Las Vegas right now, 30 degrees colder this morning, 36 degrees colder in Clayton, 26 degrees colder in Clovis. And as we get you into Raton, 29 degrees colder there. We have a front moving through the overnight and still at the current hour. And in its wake, we're going to have those colder temperatures. We're also going to have some of the stronger winds. Right now, we're favoring that for our eastern plains, 15 to 25 miles an hour, really from Clovis down towards the south and east. So breezy and cooler. Now, the front that is moving through, it's kind of going to get blocked by the central mountain chain. So we're not going to get a whole lot of forward movement off to the west. Some of the cold air will kind of squeeze through the central mountain chain, and we'll get kind of a trickle effect, a little bit of cooler numbers. But the biggest change is going to be for our far eastern plains for today. Now, out the door, we do have the clear skies, the dark skies, a lot of activity early this morning as people head out the door for work. And if you haven't left just yet, this is what it feels like outside. 33 degrees. Winds, they are calm here in the metro area. And as we talk about those temperatures, we're talking about the big changes in our eastern locations. We're looking at teens. It's 11 right now in Clayton, 14 in Las Vegas, and in Tucumcari. It is 18 degrees, so definitely a thicker jacket and the gloves for the north and east. Central and western locations very similar than of what we had the last couple of days, 20s and 30s, 32 degrees in Socorro and 34 degrees in TRC. Now the wind chill values, again, we're going to see the biggest wind chill values, or I should say the lowest wind chill values as we get you into our eastern plains. 2 below in Clayton, 3 below in Clovis, and we do have some single digits down towards Hobbs as well, where it's 6 degrees for the wind chill. But as we go through the day, the winds won't be a huge issue, especially here in the metro area. We'll just have a light breeze out of the east and eventually turning to the south. Temperature at 45 degrees at noon, lots of sunshine at 5 o'clock, 51 degrees, clear and cool skies for us there. And our daytime high today still above average, but definitely cooler than the 60s we had this weekend. 55 for a high in Albuquerque, 43 in Las Vegas. And again, we'll have the chillier numbers, 30s and even low 40s as we get you off to the east. Hobbs today, a high of 38 degrees, but 60s as we cross over the Sacramento Mountains and get you down into the Boot Hill. But as we talk about the next couple of days, dry weather will continue for our Tuesday. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And we were just mentioning kind of the need for snow as we get you up into the northern mountains. We are going to be watching our next storm system expected to push through the Four Corners region, and this could bring some snowfall southern Colorado, northern New Mexico. We're going to be watching this one closely as we get you towards the middle of the week. But here's your 7-day forecast today. Lots of sunshine. 47 Durango, 45 in Pagosa Springs, more sunny skies in the north and west, a high of 51 in Dulce and 50 in Cuba, 56 in Galveston Grant. In the south and west, lots of sunshine with 50s and 60s. Las Cruces, Socorro and TRC all climbing to 61 degrees. In the south and east, sunny and cooler today, 47 in Roswell, 41 in Artesia and 43 in Carlsbad. And as we go into the northeast, breezy and colder, 41 in Springer, 37 in Roy, and 40 degrees in Tucumcari. The northern mountains will still hold on to that light breeze. Temperatures overall mild, 42 in Angel Fire and in Red River. Chama today, a high of 48 and 49 degrees in Los Alamos. And the East Mountains today will be mostly sunny and cool with a high of 48 in Edgewood, 49 in Moriarty, and 52 degrees in Harris. More 50s in the metro, mostly sunny and pleasant. 57 in Los Lunas, 58 degrees in Belen, and 55 degrees in Rio Rancho and in the Heights. In the next couple of days, we'll actually see our temperatures rebound. Mid and upper 50s by the middle of the week. We'll even be tracking some 60s. Here in the metro area, expected to stay dry. We'll have increased cloud cover, but again, we'll watch the chance for some rain, snow as we make our way northward. And by this weekend, we'll have an additional chance for some of that moisture, some of which could reach us here.
Did I hear snow?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, by the middle of the week.
All right.